Honorable Mr. Justice Shri Nagu, Chief Justice of the Punjab Haryana High Court, Honorable Judges, Honorable former Judges, Advocate General Punjab, Advocate General Haryana, President High Court Bar Association, and Acting Chairman of the Bar Council, and my esteemed colleagues. Today we have assembled here to pay our tributes and to condole the sad demise of Shri S.P. Kurdukar, former Chief Justice of this court and former Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Justice Vijender, Jain, former Chief Justice of this court. Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Jhanji and Honorable Mr. Justice R.S. Madan, former judges of this court. All of them were High Court, Chief Justice of Punjab Haryana High Court, and later the Judge of the Supreme Court of India. He also served as Acting Governor of Punjab in 1996 for a few months. Mr. Justice S.P. Kurdukar had an extraordinary depth of law, both on civil as well as on criminal side. He always adopted a balanced approach, harmonizing the interest of the state as well as protecting the right and freedom of individual citizens. He always conducted himself in a very decent and graceful manner. Though he was firm with his convictions, yet he was humble, and he always displayed best human nature and always ensured human anger in his behavior towards his colleagues, subordinates. He was very warm and humble in his communication. He worked with utmost honesty and unimpeachable integrity and commitment to the principles as enshrined in the Constitution of India. However, in spite of all qualities of head and heart, it is a hard reality of life that each one of us have to leave this world one day or the other. They also left for their heavenly abode after contributing their best to our motherland. It was rightly said in Ramayana by Guru Vasisht, Sun re Bharat bhavi prabal bilkh kehe muninath, hani labh jivan maran yashap yashvidhi hath. And in Gurbani, Rana rao na ko rahe, rang na tung fakir, vari yapo apni, koi na banne tir. I, on my behalf and on behalf of the Government of India, pay tributes to them and pray to the Almighty God to grant peace to the departed souls and give enough strength and courage to the bereaved families to bear this unbearable shock. May their souls rest in peace.
Honorable the Chief Justice Shri Sheel Nagu ji, Honorable Judges of Punjab and Haryana High Court, respected retired Chief Justice and Judges, Learned Additional Solicitor General of India, Learned Advocate General State of Haryana, Senior Standing Counsel for the Union Territory, Chairman and members of Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, President, Secretary and Office Bearers of Punjab and Haryana High Court Bar Association, respected senior advocates, members of the bar and members of bereaved families of Honorable Mr. Justice S.P. Kurdukar, Honorable Mr. Justice Vijender Jain, Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Jhanji and Honorable Mr. Justice R.S. Madan and other dignitaries present. Today this full court was assembled to pay respectful homage to four distinguished judges whose contribution to this institution shall always be remembered with deep respect and gratitude. While each of them leaves behind an enduring legacy, I shall briefly speak about Honorable Mr. Justice Vijender Jain, former Chief Justice of this court. Justice Vijender Jain was born on 2nd August 1946 and got enrolled as an advocate on 25th July 1969 after completing his law degree from the University of Delhi. During his years at the bar, his lordship practiced primarily before the Honorable Supreme Court of India and the Delhi High Court and earned recognition for his legal acumen and scholarship. In recognition of his distinguished contribution to the legal profession, he was designated as a senior advocate in May 1990 and then elevated as a judge of Delhi High Court on 24th December 1992. During his tenure on the bench, Justice Jain rendered several significant judgments that reflected intellectual depth, constitutional commitment, and a deep sense of justice. His lordship made notable contribution in the field of public interest litigation, and his efforts toward addressing female feticide and improving access to justice through mobile courts under the motto reaching the unreachable remain deeply commendable. His lordship assumed office as a Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court on 28th November 2006 and played an important role in strengthening judicial infrastructure, including the establishment of Chandigarh Judicial Academy at Chandigarh and the Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law at Patiala. Even after demitting office as Chief Justice on 2nd August 2008, his lordship continued to contribute to the field of law. The institution shall always remain enriched by the vision, scholarship, and dedication of Justice Vijender Jain, whose legacy will continue to inspire generations of the bench and the bar. On behalf of the bar, the state of Punjab, and on my own behalf, I respectfully offer prayer for the eternal peace of the departed souls and extend heartfelt condolences to the members of bereaved families. May they find strength and solace to bear this irreparable loss. Thank you.
Honorable Mr. Justice Sheel Nagu, the Chief Justice, and the Honorable Judges of Punjab and Haryana High Court, Honorable Formal Judges, Shri Satyapal Jain, Additional Solicitor General of India, Shri Maninder Singh Bedi, Advocate General Punjab, Shri Rohit Sood, Advocate President Punjab and Haryana High Court Bar Association, esteemed members of the High Court Bar, members of the bereaved families and friends. We have gathered here today to pay homage to our revered and illustrious judges, Honorable Mr. Justice S.P. Kurdukar, former Judge, Supreme Court of India and former Chief Justice of this court, Honorable Mr. Justice Vijender Jain, former Chief Justice of this court, Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Jhanji, and Honorable Mr. Justice R.S. Madan, former judges of this court who left for heavenly abode during the recent past. Their demise has deeply saddened the entire legal fraternity. I pay my respectful tributes to them. It's my privilege and honor to pay tribute especially to Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Jhanji, an illustrious judge of this High Court, who left for heavenly abode on 23rd February 2026. It is always very difficult to sum up in just few words a tribute to a person like him who had such versatile life. He was a distinguished and multifaceted personality, and all this is reflected from his life sketch. He was born on 22nd March 1944. He received his schooling at Anglo-Sanskrit School, Daryaganj, Delhi, and thereafter pursued his higher education at Hindu College, University of Delhi, graduating with honors in economics. He went on to study law at Campus Law Center, University of Delhi, and obtained his bachelor's degree in law. He was enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana on 15th July 1971 and commenced his professional journey under the guidance of his cousin, late Shri Mohan Lal Jhanji, a renowned civil lawyer at Ludhiana. Soon thereafter, he shifted to Chandigarh to set up practice in the High Court, where he started practicing on civil and constitutional and taxation side. His hard work, sound knowledge of law, and legal acumen enabled him to build a formidable practice. In 1989, he was designated as a senior advocate by this court. While in practice, he earned the respect of bench and the bar alike for his credibility, fairness, and professionalism. He was appointed as additional judge of this court on 15th of March 1991 and was made a permanent judge on 8th of July 1992. He served as a judge of this court for a decade, and during this period, he delivered many landmark judgments in all fields of law, showing his deep intellect and insight. His capacity to grasp the controversy involved in a case and the law on the subject was conspicuous. He always endeavored to provide prompt, substantial justice to the litigants and quick disposal of cases. He was greatly admired and respected by the bar as a most humane, with a high caliber and a knowledgeable judge. His courtesy in court and outside was exemplary. Today, the law reports bear testimony to his knowledge of law and his innate desire to deliver justice in every case. He is always remembered as a bold and fearless judge who has not just decided cases but has reclaimed the space for civil liberties. He was transferred to Jammu and Kashmir High Court on 3rd December 2001, where he served twice as acting Chief Justice. While serving as a judge of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, he authored a path-breaking judgment which held that daughter of a permanent resident of state of Jammu and Kashmir will not lose status as a permanent resident of state of Jammu Kashmir on her marriage with a person who is not a resident of state of Jammu and Kashmir. Subsequently, he was transferred to Himachal Pradesh High Court, where he assumed office as a judge on 19th October 2005. After a long and distinguished judicial career marked by fairness and unwavering commitment to justice, he demitted office on 21st of March 2006 upon attaining the age of superannuation. After his retirement, he returned to practice as a senior advocate before the Supreme Court until 2023. Thereafter, he returned back to Chandigarh, where he spent his remaining years in quiet retirement. His life and work stand as a testament to the highest tradition of the bar and the bench. He leaves behind his wife Srimati Niti Jhanji and 2 sons. His elder son, Shri Vineet Jhanji, is an advocate practicing before the Supreme Court and Delhi High Court. His younger son, Shri Amit Jhanji, is a senior advocate practicing before this High Court and is also discharging the responsibility of Senior Standing Counsel for Union Territory Administration, Chandigarh. The passing away of Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Jhanji has created a void which will be deeply felt by all those who have the privilege of knowing him personally and professionally. His demise is a loss to the judiciary and legal fraternity which cannot be fulfilled. May his soul rest in eternal peace. I, on behalf of State of Haryana, on behalf of Learned Advocate General Haryana, who is also acting as a chairman of Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, and on my own behalf, place on record heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved families.
Honorable the Chief Justice Shri Sheel Nagu, Honorable Judges of this Court, Honorable former Judges, the Additional Solicitor General of India, the Advocate General Punjab, the Advocate General Haryana, Standing Counsel for UT, the Chairman and members of the Bar Council, Senior Advocates, distinguished members of the Bar, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have gathered here to remember our institution's great pillars, Justice S.P. Kurdukar, Justice Vijender Jain, Justice V.K. Jhanji, and Justice R.S. Madan, who have left for their heavenly abode. Honorable Mr. Justice R.S. Madan was born on 21st of November 1946 at Jhelum, now in Pakistan. In the aftermath of partition, his family migrated to India and rebuilt their lives with courage, resilience, and determination. The trials and hardships of those formative years deeply shaped his characters and instilled him the values of perseverance, compassion, discipline, and service to the society. Honorable Justice Madan completed his matriculation from Bihar Vidyalaya in the year 1962. Thereafter, he pursued his Bachelor of Arts from Dayal Singh College, Karnal in 1965 and obtained his Bachelor of Law degree from Punjab University, Chandigarh in 1968. Soon thereafter, he commenced legal practice at Karnal, earning recognition for his sincerity, professional ethics, and sound understanding of law. In the year 1986, he was inducted into Haryana Superior Judicial Services. During his distinguished judicial career, he served in various capacities, including as Additional District and Session Judge at Bhiwani, Ambala, and Chandigarh. He also served as Special Judge at NIA Court, where he dealt with sensitive and significant matters with exemplary fairness, patience, and judicial acumen. Honorable Justice Madan further served as District and Session Judge and as legal remembrancer for the state of Haryana, discharging his duties with exceptional dedication and distinction. In recognition of his impeccable integrity, vast legal knowledge, and outstanding contribution to the justice delivery system, he was elevated as a judge of Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court in the year 2006. During his tenure on the bench, Honorable Justice Madan was admired for his clarity of thought, balanced approach, courteous demeanor, and deep commitment to the rule of law. His judgments reflected not merely legal scholarship but also sensitivity towards the human dimensions of justice. Members of the bar and bench alike held him in great highest esteem for his fairness, humility, and gracious conduct. Even after demitting office from the High Court, his dedication to public service remained undiminished. As president of Haryana State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission Panchkula, he worked tirelessly and efficiently to strengthen the institution and substantially reduce the pendency of cases. His tenure there stood as yet another testament to his unwavering commitment to ensuring accessible and expeditious justice to the common man. His passing is an irreparable loss not only to his family and friends but also to the legal fraternity and the institution of justice, to which he devoted his entire life with dignity and distinction. Honorable Justice R.S. Madan shall always be remembered for his invaluable contribution to the judiciary, his steadfast commitment to justice, and noble values he embodied throughout his life. His legacy shall continue to inspire generation of lawyers and judges to uphold the highest traditions of legal profession and judiciary. May Almighty grant eternal peace to the departed soul and give strength and courage to the bereaved family to bear this immense loss. May his soul rest in peace.
My sister and brother judges, respected former judges, respected family members of the departed souls, learned Advocate General Punjab, Additional Advocate General Haryana, Additional Solicitor General of India, Senior Standing Counsel for Union Territory, Chandigarh, Chairman and members of the Bar Council, President and office bearers of the High Court Bar Association, respected senior advocates, they are members of the bar, officers and staff of the High Court, ladies and gentlemen. We gather today in a moment of collective sorrow to pay tribute to four distinguished members of Indian judiciary: late Justice S.P. Kurdukar, late Justice Vijender Jain, late Justice V.K. Jhanji, and late Justice R.S. Madan. Their passing has created a void that is deeply felt across the judicial fraternity. Justice Sudhakar Panditrao Kurdukar was born in January 35 in Amba Jogai in Beed district of Marathwada region of Maharashtra, into a family with a proud tradition in law. While he inherited a legal legacy from his father and grandfather, he charted his own path with resolute determination when he chose to begin his practice in Mumbai, far from his roots, at a time when the journey was marked by considerable struggle, sacrifice, and hardship. After completing his education in arts and law from Marathwada University, he was enrolled as an advocate in 1961 at the Bombay High Court. From the very outset, Justice Kurdukar exemplified the finest professional values: industry, integrity, honesty, humility, and unwavering ethical conduct. His practice spanned civil and criminal matters on the appellate side of the High Court, including writ jurisdiction, and he also served with distinction as assistant government pleader and public prosecutor on the criminal side. Alongside an active practice, he continued to legal education as a part-time professor at the New Law College, Mumbai, reflecting his commitment to nurturing future generations of lawyers. His elevation as an additional judge of the Bombay High Court in April 1978 and shortly thereafter as a permanent judge in January 1979 was a natural culmination of his merit and dedication. As a judge, he delivered judgments across civil, criminal, and constitutional domains, marked by clarity of reasoning, balance, and a deep respect for the rule of law. On 16 January 1994, Justice Kurdukar assumed office as Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court. During his tenure, he also discharged the constitutional responsibility of acting Governor of Punjab in 1996. His elevation to the Supreme Court of India on 29th March 1996 further attested to the confidence reposed in his judicial acumen. As a judge of the Supreme Court, he adjudicated a wide spectrum of civil and criminal appeals, consistently demonstrating a judicial balance between the protection of individual liberties and legitimate interests of the state. Even after his retirement in January 2000, Justice Kurdukar's service to law did not cease. He continued to contribute as an arbitrator in complex civil and commercial disputes and chaired important assignments including a one-man commission of inquiry into the Dabhol power project and his role as court-appointed administrator of Lilavati Hospital. The life of Justice Vijender Jain was a shining example of dedication to the rule of law, intellectual excellence, and unwavering commitment to justice. Born on the 2nd of August 1946, his journey from a brilliant student of Sri Ram College of Commerce and Campus Law Center, University of Delhi, to one of the most respected judges of our country reflects his unwavering commitment to justice. After his enrollment as an advocate in 1969, Justice Jain built a distinguished practice primarily before the Delhi High Court, earning recognition for his command over civil, constitutional, taxation, and company matters. His elevation as a judge of Delhi and Haryana High Court in 2006 marked the continuation of a career devoted to justice in its truest sense. As a judge, he delivered numerous landmark judgments across diverse fields of law. Justice Jain was not only a jurist of great distinction but also a visionary reformer. His lordship played a significant role in strengthening the institution of public interest litigation, ensuring that the courts remained accessible to common citizens. His efforts towards environmental protection, including the cleaning of Yamuna and safeguarding public spaces, stand as a testament to his commitment to societal welfare. As Chief Justice, he brought remarkable administrative vigor, strengthening judicial infrastructure, establishing institutes like Chandigarh Judicial Academy, Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Punjab, and introducing mobile courts to reach the last man standing in the queue. Justice Jain also showed deep concern for social issues, particularly the eradication of female feticide and the upliftment of marginalized sections of society. His initiatives reflected not only judicial wisdom but also compassion and a strong sense of social responsibility. Even after demitting office, Justice Jain continued to contribute to the legal field as an eminent arbitrator of international repute, earning respect both in India and abroad. Justice Jain is survived by his son, Mr. Rohit Jain, and his daughter, Ms. Sonika Jain, who is currently teaching law at London School of Economics. Justice Vijay Kumar Jhanji was born on the 22nd of March 1944. From an early age, he exhibited a deep commitment to learning, discipline, and public service. He received his schooling at Anglo Sanskrit School, Daryaganj, Delhi, and pursued his higher studies at Hindu College, University of Delhi, where he graduated with honors in economics. He thereafter completed his legal education at the Campus Law Center, University of Delhi. He commenced his professional career at the bar in Ludhiana under the guidance of his cousin, late Mr. Mohanlal Jhanji, a distinguished civil lawyer. Justice Jhanji was enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council in Punjab and Haryana in July 1971. Over the years, he developed a formidable practice, earning a reputation for his erudition and mastery over civil, constitutional, and taxation matters. In recognition of his eminence at the bar, he was designated as senior advocate by the Punjab and Haryana High Court in 1989. His professional excellence, integrity, and independence of thought led to his elevation as an additional judge of this High Court in March 1991 and his confirmation as a permanent judge in July 1992. Justice Jhanji later served the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir following his transfer in December 2001, where he discharged his judicial functions with distinction. During his tenure, he also had the honor of serving as acting Chief Justice on 2 occasions, a responsibility he carried out with dignity and administrative acumen. He was subsequently transferred in October 2005 to the High Court of Himachal Pradesh, where he assumed office as a judge. After a long and illustrious judicial career marked by fairness, intellectual clarity, courtesy, and unwavering commitment to the rule of law, Justice Jhanji demitted office on the 21st of March 2006 on attaining the age of superannuation. Post-retirement, he returned to the bar as a senior advocate and continued to contribute meaningfully to the legal profession until 2003, enriching it with his experience, wisdom, and guidance. Thereafter, he settled in Chandigarh, where he lived a life of quiet dignity in retirement. Justice Jhanji is survived by his wife and his 2 sons, Vineet Jhanji and Amit Jhanji, who happens to be a designated senior counsel practicing in this court. Justice Ripu Daman Singh Madan was born in November 1946 in Jhelum city, now in Pakistan. His early life was shaped by the challenging circumstances of partition, when his family migrated to India and rebuilt their lives with courage and resilience. These formative experiences instilled in him enduring values of strength, compassion, and a deep sense of duty that guided him throughout his life. Justice Madan was the son of late Sri Harbans Singh Madan, who served as an assistant engineer in the railways. Raised in a large and close-knit family of 10 siblings, Justice Madan imbibed the principles of discipline, service, and respect for education, values that came to define his personal and professional life. Justice Madan pursued his education with diligence, completing his matriculation in 62, whereafter he graduated with an arts degree from Dayal Singh College, Karnal in 1965 and obtained his law degree from the Punjab University. Soon thereafter, he commenced legal practice at Karnal, laying the foundation of a distinguished career devoted to rule of law. In the year 1986, he was inducted into the Haryana Superior Judicial Service. During his tenure, he served in various capacities, including as additional district and sessions judge at Bhiwani, Ambala, and Chandigarh. He also served as special judge NIA court, where he dealt with sensitive and complex matters with exceptional composure. Throughout his judicial career, he was deeply regarded for his sound legal acumen, balanced approach, and humane outlook. Justice Madan later served as district and sessions judge and also as legal remembrancer to the state of Haryana. In recognition of his exemplary service, he was elevated as a judge of this court in the year 2006. His tenure on the bench was marked by clarity of thought, fairness, and an abiding commitment to justice. Even after his retirement from this court, Justice Madan continued to serve the cause of justice with equal zeal. As president of the Haryana State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, Panchkula, he brought remarkable efficiency and dedication, significantly reducing pendency and ensuring timely delivery of justice to litigants. Beyond his professional accomplishments, Justice Madan was known for his gentle demeanor, humility, and warmth. He was a devoted husband, a loving father, and a proud grandfather. He is survived by his wife, Mrs. Neena Madan, an accomplished legal professional, his daughter, Mrs. Namrata Sood, and his son, Raghujit Singh Madan. On occasion of such, words often fall short. No tribute can fully capture the depth of contribution of these legal luminaries to the justice delivery system or the profound impact they had on the judicial ecosystem. Each of them, in their own way, strengthened the foundations of our institutions and enriched the traditions we hold dear. The knowledge, clarity, and understanding of law that these eminent judges possessed continue to live through the judgments they authored, judgments that remain guiding beacons for courts, lawyers, and scholars even today. Their work reflects not only intellectual brilliance but also a deep commitment to fairness, constitutional values, and human spirit behind every case. In all humility, we commemorate their life journeys, lives marked by integrity, dedication, and an unwavering sense of duty. It is apt to say that each of them lived a life of purpose, a life that will forever hold a special place in the history of our legal fraternity. They leave behind legacies that will continue to inspire generations and judges and lawyers. On behalf of my colleagues on the bench, officers, and the staff of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana, I extend our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family. May God grant them strength and fortitude to bear this loss. I pray that the departed souls may rest in eternal peace. As a mark of respect, we shall observe 2 minutes silence.